Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. I was so excited. They've come to me Zoom PO box. I got two PR boxes packets today. I really hope you enjoy opening them with us. I'm going to start, they're from Fluorescent PR. So there's Burts Bees. I don't know if it's all Burts Bees stuff, but I love Burts Bees. So I'll put that there. We'll go in there in a minute. Actually, we're gonna do the box first. I've got my little thing to open it, and I keep. Right, are you ready? I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. I've got another one to do, and I was sent a card as well by a really special friend, and I'll show you that in a bit, but in a different video. I'll just get into this at the minute. How are you all keeping? Are you keeping well? I keep feeling hot today, which is, you know, when you think, oh dear, is it? I keep feeling all like I've got a temperature, but without checking I wouldn't know. And it is close, if that makes sense. I'm kind of getting this box. I'll have to, it's better to use this than scissors actually, but there's a lot of stuff in here, so I don't want to get it all over myself, you know, like wrap up stuff. Oh, it's exciting. I can see bits and pieces under it. Right, okay, so I've got to be careful with all this. Oh wow, oh, I'm so excited. Right, okay, get that on there. Just gonna get rid of all this a minute. This is so exciting. Right, okay, so it's Burts Bees. It is all Burts Bees. All exciting. Look at that. This is so brilliant. Right, so we've got hemp body lotion with hemp seed oil. I love body lotions and stuff like that. So, there's no smell. There's no smell because it's not even sealed. That's why, Lauren. But I'll get that tested and have a play with that. Let's have a smell. Let's have a smell. I love smelling things. Ooh, I like that. That smells nice and fresh. I'm going to play, I played about with a mask the other night. I looked absolutely hideous, by the way, but my God, my skin felt amazing after. Oh, that smells lush. Ooh, so it's 99% natural origin with nutrient-rich botanicals. And it's cruelty-free. Brilliant. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, petroleum. Oh, good. Good. That is lovely. And it smells lush. Smells all herby. Does that make sense? It's all, yeah, because it is a herb. It's very nice. I think it's a herb, isn't it? Hemp. It's gorgeous. Beautiful smell, that. Now what have we got? Oh, a lip and cheek stick. Got to have a look at this. This is so exciting. Really thank you for sending all these goodies, like, because she reached out. It was James that put them onto us, but I remember being on the PR list years and years ago. I think her name's Laura. I could be wrong. I hope I'm not wrong, because that's really rude, but she said that she remembers us, so it's lovely. And they've sent all this stuff, and I said just surprises, because I couldn't pick. I love all the bits and bobs. Let's have a look. What colour is this? Oh, what's that? Look at that. So this is All Aglow lip and cheek stick. Put that on the back of me. Oh, that's nice. It's really natural. And that smells lovely. That is very faint. So you could really build that up. Be nice on the lips as well if you don't want a lot on your lip, but you want a bit of something. Lovely. I think there might be no, there's not. Yeah, there is. There's another one. This is going to be dark. So this is that colour. I'm going to have to get these open for you to have a look. I can't wait to play about with all these. There's another one. There's so much here. I'm going to try and keep the time down for these videos and all. But really, I'm going to just, take the top off like that. And that can go back in afterwards. Oh, look at that one. So with, again, look. You rub that into your cheeks. I haven't actually got anything on. I wonder if I could. Put a little bit on. and then just give it a bit of a, and mind you, that's lovely that. Mind you, my cheeks are already red hot looking because I've got rosacea. But that's really lovely and cute, and I love the way it's got a bit of a shine and all. So that on your lips and cheeks is brilliant. And then we've got the same again, but I'm not going to open this one because it'll take ages. This one is Dahlia Dew, but what I will do is I'll do a little swatch thing and put it on Instagram for you to have a look at. That is lovely. Now what else we got? Oh, lovely. Vanilla Maple Lip Balm. Ooh, we've got to try this. Got to try this out. I love, love, love lip balms. And because where I work in tile shop, I get really, really horrible dry lips, like cracked and ugly. So this will be handy as hell to just carry around with us. Oh, that smells lush. Oh, it is this proper mapley and vanilla. It smells like toffee. Proper toffee lush. That's gorgeous. That's going to go in my bag. What are these? Ooh, what are these? Lip Crayon. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the colour. It's a tea colour. So this one's called Outback Oasis. We've got to do a swatch for you. Oh, hang on. It's not coming off. There we go. That is so sheer and beautiful. So nothing here is like overkill if you just want sheer products. It smells lovely. All of it smells lush. I don't know what's in it, but that is such a creamy. Look at that. Again, you could put that in your bag and just keep topping that up during the day. No one's going to think you're putting lipstick on, but you're going to have a bit of something. Now, why won't this lid come off? Can I get into it? Take the top off that. That's it. Come on. Oh, this one's gorgeous. Look at that one. I'll pop a berry. Do it next to that. Oh, you don't need a lot. Look at that. That would be lush. I love stuff like this as well. Oh, look at it. It's just adding a lovely bit of colour without it being too much. I love stuff like that. And you don't feel like you're absolutely wearing makeup. And I've got an, oh, there's another one here. What's this one? This one is, sorry, what that colour was, the dark one was Bordeaux Vines. Very nice. And then this one here is Sedona Sands. Take the lid off. It's gorgeous. Looks similar to the other one, but more pink. And I love the shape of them. They just feel amazing. Look at it. So put that on the, that's it there. So look, compared to that one's more of a beigey red, and then you've got like a pinky. Actually, I think I've got that the wrong way around. This is more peach. The other's more pink. I like that. They're all so natural though. They're like not overkill. Anybody could wear this. Oh, and there's another one. Tahitian Sunset. You're going to like this one. This has got a bit of something to it as well. If you're fancying a bit extra. Oh, look at that. Oh, these are lush. Oh, wow. Okay, this is my favourite. Look at that one. That's my super duper favourite. That's going in my bag with the Burts Bees. That's going in my bag with the lip gloss. I'm dropping everything on the floor because I'm so excited. Oh, God. I'm going to have to go picking all that stuff up now. I'll get these. Oh, there's another one. Wow, there's another one. Hang on. I'm dropping everything on the floor. Eee. So I've got, there's more. Wow. There's Napa Vineyard now. Get that off my hand. So I found another one in the box. There's loads. Oh, I'm so chuffed with these. Couldn't be happier. I love lipstick and I love the fact that this is natural. So it's got a bit of something. I haven't got to feel like I'm wearing loads. Look at that one. Oh wow, look at that. It's proper juicy red wine colour. So they're very similar. But that one's more of a pinky. That one's more of a dark. Ooh. I love how smooth and creamy. Have you seen that? Could not be happier with these. Wow. Now we've got another one. This is, I think you're going to like this one, proper pink. I don't have anything like a pinky like this. Not brand new anyway. We've got a couple of lipsticks, I think. Or a lot of lip ink, but nothing creamy. Oh. So this one is Hawaiian Smolder. Look at that. And I'm going to put it right bang in the middle. There we go. Look at that. So everything's like just not overkill. And they all smell nice. They're so glossy looking, like glossy, creamy, and I love the feel of the pen. I love cream products, so I think I've told you that like 1,000 times. Ooh, lemon butter cuticle cream. Ooh, I feel so chuffed about this package. It's so lovely, and it's so lovely to be getting PR again as well. It's really, really nice. I kind of get into the tub. This here is going to be ideal for where I work. Because my hands, my nails and everything, they just don't look very good, because obviously I'm working with tiles and I'm due to go back soon, so this will come in handy, and I'll pull that off. Let's have a look at this. And I love anything, ooh, I love anything lemon. Oh my, it smells like lemon sorbet. I'm going to put a little bit on my cuticle right now. I love creamy products in tins and tubs and jars. I think I've got a bit of a problem. It only happened since lockdown. I didn't even know I had one beforehand. Oh, I think I've got a cuticle remover as well. I'm gonna look after my nails tonight, and then I might put a bit of nail varnish on. I just love farting about, pampering myself lately. It's lovely, and with all these lovely products, I get to do it. Lily Lake. What's this? This is a lipstick. This have to come off. So if I can get in, I'll show you. This one looks like a rosé kind of colour. Oh, I love the fact it's smaller. Now that's smaller than your usual lipstick, I think. And again, the sheer. Look, I feel like I'm not, I really am in love. I hate lipsticks where I feel too much, because my lips are quite thin. So I feel like I draw attention to them. But with something like this, like a little wash of colour. So that was gorgeous. That's Lily Lake. This one here is a tea colour called Blush Basin. Ooh, look at that. I have to do this on the back of my hand, hang on. Or the back of my hairy arm. There we go. It's very nice. It's sheer, but you can build it up. Really impressed with these products. Really, really impressed. And then we've got Scarlet Soaked. Ooh, I love reds. I love reds. Pop. Look at that. Very, very nice. Hang on. Oh, love. It's like strawberry. And it's sheer as well. So you don't feel like, if you're not confident enough to wear like a full-on red, gradually build up. That would be a great one for work, because sometimes I feel a little bit overkill if I wear lipstick, but I do love a nice dark red lip. But I think there's time and place, but you could totally get away with anything like that because it's sheer. Oh, I'm so chuffed with all that, look. Thank you very much for sending us these. I'm going to get the other packet done and all while I'm here. What we got? These are lovely. I'm going to get swatches and stuff put on Instagram for you. Oh, what's this? What on earth is this? Oh, it's a hair towel. Oh, what? Long hair towel. I've got a long hair. How do I open it? Does it open? I've never had a long hair towel before, which is weird. Quick, quick. Oh, oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh, wow. It's really long. Like, I know it says on the pack it's a long hair towel, but oh gosh, thank you. What else is in here? Another one. What's this? Hang on. Right, so I've got another hair turban. I've never had a hair turban before. I won't wear this now in the video, but oh, I can't wait to play with this. Oh, cool. I'll have to learn how to use them. But wow, this is brilliant. Thank you so much for this. I really hope you've enjoyed, everyone. I've lost me, hang on. Oh, little thing in here. I hope you are keeping safe and well. If you need anything further, just let me know. Thanks, Team Fluorescent. Oh, isn't that absolutely lovely? You've made my day. I feel like a little princess. I've got so many lush products to play with. And I'm going to have a shower tonight, put my hairnet on, my hair turban or something. I'm going to put this on my cuticles. Ooh, I'm going to use some of these in my makeup tutorial that I'm going to be doing in a minute. It's exciting. Right, I hope you have enjoyed. Stay tuned because I've got another one to do. I'm just going to do it right now, but I'm going to do the two together. Both these are from, one of them's from a friend that I know about, and there's another one, a secret package. I haven't got a clue what's in it, but I'm excited. So I really hope you've enjoyed. Stay tuned, stay safe. I'll see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.